Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the RAPOO C200 web camera. On the front of the box, we have an image of the web camera itself. Up top, we have some RAPOO branding. On the bottom, we have the C200 model name, and on the left hand side, we can see that the camera is 720p HD. On the left hand side of the package, we have some of the system requirements. Basically, here it says that it is compatible with Windows 7 and above, Mac OS 10.6 or above, Chrome OS, and Android OS 5.0 and above. On the right hand side of the package, we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. There's nothing on the top, and there's simply some RAPOO branding on the bottom. On the back, we have some of the salient features and specifications, so let's go through that. Firstly, we have a 720p resolution for sharp and clear images. It also has a built-in omnidirectional microphone. It has a flexible design, flexible rotation that is, to adjust the camera in a way for good framing. And lastly, it has USB plug and play technology, which means that you do not need to install any additional drivers. It detects and installs the drivers automatically. Right here, we have a sticker with some important information, and that's about it when it comes to the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a user guide. This will help you install the device and get you started off with using it. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the device. Coming to the web camera, we can see that it has a black color theme going for it. The lens module is on the front. There's some writing around the lens which says 720p HD, and it is also a zoom lens. On either side of the lens module, we have two holes that we suspect is for the microphone. There is nothing but plain matte finished plastic on the top, same on the back, and at the bottom we have the clipping mechanism. Between the clipping mechanism and the webcam, we have a ball mount that gives it extreme amounts of flexibility, and this can help you with the framing of the shot. On the clip, we have some RAPOO branding. On the bottom of the clip, we have a quarter-inch screw, which basically can help you mount the camera onto a tripod, as most tripods use this kind of an quarter-inch screw. Around the screw, we have some anti-skid material to basically not scratch up the surface where it is attached. Bracket mechanism is of the hinge kind, so we will demonstrate how to put it on a laptop as well. Coming now to the cable, it has a USB type A interface on the end, and the overall length of the cable is around 60 inches long. So let's see the web camera in action now. For the purposes of this video, we will be installing and connecting the webcam to a laptop. First, we need to connect the USB type A into an appropriate receptacle on the laptop. Once we connect it, it will detect and install the drivers automatically. While it is installing the drivers, we will install the webcam onto the lid of the laptop. So to install the webcam, what we need to do is take this little lip on the bracket of the webcam, prop it up against the lid, and then shut the hinge as far as possible. That is how you install it, and it is quite tight. The same concept works for other display devices and monitors as well. So now that the installation is complete, we can start using this webcam. This was the unboxing of the RAPOO C200 web camera. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.